there.
How many people does it take to fix the radio?
No, when it says slot 1 full, hit play.
I tried.
Try this again, don't.
It keeps saying add device.
I want to see the lovely scenery. Yep, lovely, lovely. We are parked on the side of the road. Yep,
No
and
phone. Okay, we know that. If we quit messing with it, it'll go back to normal.
Delete all? What?
Knock it the fuck off! Just listen.
Play CD.
You told me.
I didn't understand you.
Oh,
Please
you
try
dick!
again.
It listens to you?
What the fucking dumb mother. Go fuck yourself.
Play CD. Play CD.
It's not what's so hard.
Phone, please say a command.
Hang up.
Phone help at any time. To exit phone, press and hold the phone button. To place a call, say.
There, it hung up.
See, all you
Now
do is
it's
press
reading
and...
the disc.
Alright, we're good.